Hey y'all, thanks for stopping by. I wanted to share a quick get ready with me. I'm headed to the gym and I wanted to just quickly show you guys what I do to get ready to head to the gym today. I am not going to talk too much. I'm just going to let you guys watch and see that process. But if you enjoy the video, I kindly ask that you consider subscribing. And if you like this kind of content, give me a big thumbs up. So without any more talking, I am going to get right into it. Here is the makeup I'm going to put on. Yes, I wear makeup to the gym, and no, I don't care what you think about it. Now that my hair and makeup are complete, we are going to just pop on some gym clothes. All of the clothes that you see here are from Costco. I am a Costco girly. Everything but the pink Nike shirt that I think I got from Marshall's. But these are the gym clothes I'm going to wear today. I usually try to match my top and my bra, but sometimes it doesn't work that way. I'm also going to use these products here. I got all of these from Dollar Tree, everything except the Nivea, but it's just some deodorant, some chafing lotion, and a little bit of Vaseline. I use these because I need something to kind of protect my skin in different areas. If you know, you know. And then next I will show you guys what I'm going to use as far as fragrance. I love to smell good no matter what, so especially at the gym. I'm going to use these vanilla scented fragrances. Some are from Bath and Body Works, others are this Mimic Vanilla 108. It's so good, you guys. It's so sweet and buttery, and it just smells like you're baking vanilla cookies or something. I don't know, but yeah, so I'm just going to combine all of these to just build a really nice perfume base so I can smell good for my entire workout. And that is it. This is going to be what I end up looking like. I know this mirror is dirty. I'm sorry, y'all. It is what it is. I'm a busy lady. So here it is. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like videos like this, I kindly ask that you consider subscribing. I am a stay-at-home mom, a personal trainer, and I make press-on nails. So if you guys like content like that, I ask that you stick around, come back, and have fun with us. And until the next video, I will see you later. Bye guys. See you, love you.